In this video, I'll show you how to use screen mirroring AirPlay on your Onn Roku TV. This way, when you use your iPhone, iMac, or iPad, you'll be able to mirror what you see on the screen of your device on your big screen TV. So let's get started. First thing, we need to turn on AirPlay. And how to do this? Well, press the home button on the remote control. Then on this menu, you're going to go down until you see settings. Okay, so select settings, go down, then press OK. From this menu, you need to go down again until you see Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. So I'll go down a bit more, and then once I'm over it, I'll press the OK button on the remote control. You just have to wait for it to open up. You're going to see AirPlay being presented to you. And now you need to make sure that AirPlay is indeed turned on. Once this is done, press the down arrow once to select Require Code. This is important depending on your situation. If you don't want any password every time you connect your iPhone to your TV, you just need to leave it the way it is, first time only. It will only ask the password the first time, and then you won't have to do it every time. It will be much quicker. If you want a password, just press OK and select every time instead of first time only. Now let me go back from this menu using the back button on my remote control. So now that the AirPlay is turned on, you can go ahead and take your Apple device. I'll go and pull out my iPhone. So this is my iPhone. To activate this feature, you need to drag down from the top right corner like this. And then once you're on this menu over here, you're gonna see on the top right corner this icon. It's a triangular with multiple circles on the top. You're going to press on this icon once, and you'll get all the options over here where you can mirror this screen. Obviously, right now, this is the only TV around me, so this is the only options over here on Roku TV. Press on it, and it will ask you for a passcode. The password will appear on your screen, so you just have to type it. In my case, it's 7553. Yours will be different, obviously. Press OK. Wait just a few seconds. You'll get connected to iPhone 13 mini or whatever other iPhone, the name of your iPad or iPhone is. And now we can exit this menu on the iPhone. And then once you're connected, in this menu of the iPhone, you're going to see here there's two rectangles, one on top of each other. Press on this, then press on your Onn TV in this list. And the mirroring will start now. At any time, you can go back in this menu and press Stop Mirroring to stop this process. But now, over here, you see I can see whatever I'm seeing on the iPhone on my Onn Roku TV. And a thing that I forgot to tell you is that both of these devices need to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network. If not, it won't work because it works using the Wi-Fi. Also, depending on the speed of your wireless router, of your internet connection, this will determine how much lag it is between these two. You see over here, there is a slight lag, but it's quite minimal. If you have a slower internet speed, well, obviously this lag can be more significant. You can also watch YouTube videos. You see now I'm on YouTube, and once you tap on the YouTube video, it will play in widescreen. So you don't have to turn your phone sideways to see it. You simply select it, and you see over here, let's say I want to watch this one. I tap on it, and automatically it will start playing in widescreen. Some apps are working on landscape mode on your iPhone. Let me turn on rotation over here. And this is true for the Onn Roku TV as well. So if you turn your phone sideways, it will turn and you'll have a greater view this way. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.